Heyo, it's Kathy, the plant-based lady, and I am so grateful and happy to be here today. Today, y'all, we're making pumpkin oatmeal, pumpkin spice oatmeal, babies. Yes, I'm so excited. So, yeah, sticking to the holiday theme, right? We're kicking it off, baby. We're getting into it. We're doing it, being it, loving it, right? So, yeah, if you're new to my channel, get the hell in here, ding that thing, baby, and join us on a regular basis. We're having a lot of fun in here, making really easy, and just quick, whole food, plant based nummies on a regular basis. I'm Kathy, the plant based lady. I am an RN by night, and I am a whole food, plant based health and wellness coach by day. And this is what I do by day. I love you so much. Yeah, I love you. You're worth it. You're amazing. And yeah, and it is an honor to be here. So yeah, we're gonna rock the scene. Oh, if you're returning, I love you and I thank you. Hey you. I see you and I love you. All right, so we are making yeah, we're gonna rock the scene, yo. We're gonna rock the scene with pumpkin spice oatmeal today. Super easy, simple. I love you so much. Yeah, so let's rock. Let's do it, right? At the end of this video, if you don't know what a whole food plant-based diet is, like you're new to the whole scene, I'm going to include a link in the description below. And I have a webinar that I've created, and I go into detail about exactly what a whole food plant-based diet really is, baby. So check that out, okay? I love you. So yeah, and share this video with somebody you know, you and yours, right? Your friends, your family. I'm actually creating a health coaching program, and I'm going to kick it off in January. So if you're interested in joining this group coaching program, right? Super. It's just 12 weeks. I'm going to break it up, the groups. I'm going to break up the groups into probably groups of 5. I'm kicking it off in January. If you're interested in it, give me a thumbs up, okay? In the comments below. I love you so much, and then you can be one of the first to sign up. Come join me. Have fun for 12 weeks, right? We're gonna own it, be it, love it. We're gonna get healthy. We're gonna own the being healthy lifestyles. Just own it, right? All right, so pumpkin oatmeal. Let's do it. So I have some Anthony's organic rolled oats, right? Or Anthony's organic rolled oats. I'll put put a link in the description below. They're organic, and they actually do say right on the bag, gluten free. If you are gluten sensitive like me, you'll appreciate that. Okay, because I get stupid headaches. Like I get really stupid headaches when I eat gluten. So it's really helpful. Really, truly, if you're gluten free and you want to make sure that you're not going to accidentally consume gluten, make sure that it says gluten free right on the bag. I love you. So we're gonna dump this right in this bowl here. Okay, so come here, baby. I gotcha. I'm gonna dump this right in this bowl right here, right? And then we got some water, right? So we're gonna add some hot water, right? So this is hot water. Just gonna add that. Right? Can you see that, baby? Add some hot water. Right? So these are organic rolled oats, old-fashioned, whole grain, gluten-free, okay? And then we got some pumpkin, right? So I grabbed this right in Walmart. Yeah, no joke. I will freaking buy whatever I can in Walmart if I can get away with it, right? This is 100% pure pumpkin, baby. That's it, right? You just grab some pumpkin, pure pumpkin, throw that in there. Bada bing, bada boom. Right? Throw it all in. Mix that up. Right? And then we got, mix it up really good, right? It's going to be damn delicious, yo. Yes. Right? And then we got some Ceylon cinnamon. Okay. Whoops. So we got some Ceylon cinnamon. I got that at Whole Foods. And I'm going to throw that in there too. Right, little dab will do ya. And then we got some vanilla. This is Madagascar, right? Madagascar vanilla, right? I like the pure vanilla. Yes, this smells like heaven. Totally. Yes, throw that in there, baby. And then we got some maple syrup, right? Bada bing, bada boom. That's a Whole Foods brand, I do believe, right? Maple syrup, little dab will do ya. Throw that in there. This is going to be damn delicious. Me loves it. Stir it up. Yes. You see that, darling? Yeah. Stir that all up. Nice, right? Look at that. Oh, delicious. And then you stir that up really well. Yes. And I got some pecans, right? Pecans. Bam, boom, little bit. So if you have like high blood pressure, heart disease, if you're on blood pressure medication, right? Or you're trying to lose a couple of pounds, if you will, right? You might want to hold off on the nuts because the nuts have a good amount of fat in them, okay? But this is still damn delicious. Pumpkin seeds, pumpkin seeds. So I got the pumpkin seeds, right? Got these online too. And these are the pecans. These, I just got these at Walmart. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm just gonna throw those right in there, baby. Yep. Bam. There we go, honey. And it's so delicious, so yummy, so delicious, so freaking easy. So freaking easy, am I right? Oh my gosh. Oh, you can taste that pumpkin and the cinnamon. Oh, it tastes so good and it's so cozy and warm. Yes, that's what we want this time of year, right? So again, if you're new to this channel, I love you so much. Ding that thing, baby. Come on in and join us on a regular basis. Give me a comment. Let me know that you're here and you're joining us. I love you. And if you're coming back, I thank you. I thank you so much. And yeah, if y'all want to hear more about my 12-week whole food plant-based health coaching program, group health coaching program, it's going to be called Friends and Family. Okay, my Friends and Family group coaching program, right? You can sign up. It's going to be super reasonable. I love you so much. I want to help folks. I really, really do. I want to be that person, that nurse that is actually helping people without necessarily just handing you a lot of medication, right? So yeah, sign up. And if you grab a friend or family to join with you, then they get half off. Okay, so you can sign yourself up and then they get half off. I love you so much. If you want to learn more about the health coaching program, it's 12 weeks. We're going to meet every single week. Online by Zoom, right? It's going to be live. I love you so much. If you want to join, give me a thumbs up, okay? And together we'll make it. I love you so much and I thank you. And I'm so grateful that you're here. You're worth it. Your friends, your family are worth it. I love you so much. And I can't wait to hang out again with you really, really soon. Thank you so much.